Hey, what's going on? It's your boy J Rock. Yeah, I want to talk about the EG Start buttons and sticks. I only needed a few buttons, and I needed the encoder. So I wanted some LEDs because I'm creating a shooting cabinet, but I'm gonna just have a stand. But I want the buttons to activate on the stand. So what I'm doing is, I'm having my guns not on this thing. I got the actual panel in the works because I'm gonna be able to stick my guns in. But anyway, I wanted the LED buttons, and these are perfect. I got them already active, so they work. They were pretty much plug and play. I just plugged them up. They lit up, and I already assigned them. Simple as that. That's all I need. I didn't really need a whole kit. I just needed a start, player one, player two, coin button, and an exit button. That's all I needed. And they doing what I need them to do. I got them already set up to work. So perfect, perfect, perfect.